We are done. We are cooked. I don't really know. Are we in the bear market? So Bitcoin is down 13% on the last 7 days. Today the price is $91,000, and we are in the extreme fear 15. But what it means? Look, if you are new here or just stupid, this doesn't mean shit. In the previous cycle, on the first major dip from the top, we saw extreme fear, but guess what? We kept on dipping. While the fear and greed index kept on swinging up and down, price still neck. That's true. It's only what it means. We are in the extreme fear, but we can go much lower. So we have to be cautious on this market. So if you don't know me, I'm humble farmer. It's 5 years ago I started my crypto adventure. I go through 2 bull market and 1 bear market. So today we don't know what will happen. I don't know what will happen. You don't know what will happen. Nobody know what will happen. So we have to be cautious. If you like the content, don't forget to make a like and a comment. It will be nice for starting my YouTube channel. So keep going, my friend. So crypto tutor will keep telling you to buy more and more, no matter what. They will never tell you when to sell. So I've tried call before. No one will cheat you this bag before he buys, and no one will tell you to sell before he fully exits. It's really true. You have to be careful for which guys you follow, and I want to tell you, follow nobody. Just do DCA on BTC and do a bit of farming airdrop and follow me to do that. Because on farming airdrop we are all the same at the same table. I don't will tell you to buy a token. I just will tell you what you have to do, because I will do the same things. Because like 0x3 has said yesterday on Poly Market, there was a public sale for Salomon. And what happened? So the wallet was suddenly loaded of $50,000. Here is the strange part. The wallet was created a year ago, made one $10 trade, then stayed completely inactive for 1 year, and yesterday come back and started aggressively buying Salomon market. With this 50k, what happened? He make 500k. So for sure it was an insider. He bought a lot. The wallet was inactive during 1 year. The wallet was inactive during 1 year. Insider. But we will go further on this insider side later on this video. But the crypto market looks really bad right now because of this insider part as well. For people on Hyperliquid, and for people from Kinetic, Harmonic, Hyperbit, you have to sign some terms to have the airdrop. Like for the Hyperliquid airdrop, you have to sign some terms, and you have to do the same for this airdrop. So don't forget to do that, because last year I don't sign the term for Hyperliquid airdrop. And what you think happened? Yeah, I missed the Hyperliquid airdrop. Don't speak about that. So you have to trade on TradingWise, because it's a good platform. They are very close to Hyperliquid team, and you can farm the Hyper unit airdrop, because they bought the unit airdrop with the auction on Hyperliquid, and I think it could be a really good airdrop. So they started to, you can trade on the Google the Google stock. So if you like Google and you want to try to buy or sell, do some trading, but be careful. It's better to do some data neutral with another platform. So if you can find Google stock on another platform, like I think on Vest you can find Google, it will be nice to take a long on Vest and a short on Trade XYZ. So let's continue, my friend. Paradex, the Money Badger Genesis start. So for who was the Money Badger Genesis start? It was for people we have 50k XP. So there is a total of 10k, and for the moment 930 Badger box was distributed. So you can have your Badger box, but you have to go to 25k XP on Paradex, and I want to tell you it's really hard. But if you are good in option, it's a good way to make a lot of XP on Paradex, but be careful as well. Okay, with zero age, the last time Bitcoin was here, global liquidity was 7 trillion lower. What it mean? It's really easy, my friend. A lot of people said there is no liquidity. There is no liquidity. So if there is no liquidity, Bitcoin can't go up. But there is liquidity. Only the liquidity don't go in Bitcoin, don't go in crypto. The liquidity go in the stock market, the liquidity go in the gold, but nothing in crypto or Bitcoin. But a bit on Bitcoin, but nothing in crypto and your altcoin and your favorite altcoin. So we are where we are, and what will happen, we will see. Okay, with Frank right now, we can see the short-term order supply and profit and loss ratio. It's the lowest it's ever been in the history of Bitcoin. Again, what it means? It's really easy. The short-term order are in loss. The short-term order is the people who hold Bitcoin less than 6 months, and everybody are in loss right now. So it's a good indicator because we have a crypto fear and greed 15. The short term are cook. So maybe we can see a rebound soon, or so we can go a bit higher soon to escape the game and go in the bear without a lot of money in this market. So we will see later what happened. After this, like I told you about the extraction, but we can go further on this side. Like say detective, it's pretty clear that Aiden Davis was behind the launch of YZY, the token of PDD, or I don't know the rapper, the music man do that, but it was a guys. Yesterday, after 9 months of inactivity, the LP removed 17 million from Libra pool. And yesterday as well, after 3 months of inactivity, the LP removed 6 million of the XYZ pool. So Aiden Davis was a scammer from the Argentinian president. They make the Libra token, and they removed yesterday the LP, the liquidity providing the pool, and as well the YZY token. So maybe it's a coincidence, or maybe it was the same scammer behind the two tokens. But these guys don't do only YZY and Libra. He do Melania, the Melania token, the Woman of Trump, the Trump token as well. So it was a big scam. Like from the beginning, it was only extractive money of this market. So yeah, like everyone, I'm a bit tired with crypto because it was not a good play this bull run. It was only extractive, and we have to be focused more on Bitcoin. That's all. But of course we can do farming, like, because I like that and I want to do that. So with Phi Alkin, we have 3 category of perpdex farming right now, and I think it's really true. So in early perpdex you can trade on bulk trade, but bulk trade it's on Solana, and you need an IVAT code, and it's so hard to have. So for the moment I think only the people close to the team can trade on this platform, but maybe sooner we can have some invite code, and when it will be available for the public I will tell you on this channel. So stay alert, and I will tell you. Let's continue. So via Shonal, I think, yeah, it's early, and what is good with via Shonal, it's when you are liquidated, they sometimes they can give you a bit of money. I don't know how really it works, but if you are liquidated on the platform, you can take your money back. So it could be nice. And the most important, it's trade XYZ. Like I told you before, it's a team on hyper unit, and they are very close from the hyper liquid team. So you have to trade on trade XYZ if you start trading right now. And you can do some delta neutral with via Shonal, and if you have an avid code on bulk trade, yeah, it's very good perpdex to trade right now. Farmable Ibashi, yeah, I don't farm too much on Ibashi, but maybe it's a good opportunity. Extended maybe as well, I don't farm too much, but maybe it's a good opportunity. Extended, it's on Starknet, and Starknet looks nice in this moment. Pacifica and Lighter, of course, if you start right now, I think Lighter it's a bit late, but if you farm later, like 1 or 2 months ago, yeah, continue to farm on Lighter, because it's a really good protocol and we can have a good surprise with Lighter. And late Paradex and Raya, yeah, that's true, it's late, but like Lighter, if you started to farm like 1 month ago or 2, you can continue to farm on this protocol. But I'm really okay with this 3 category. After that, some dopamine. So the potential point price for your favorite perpdex, so Lighter 100 per point, maybe, but I will tell you to take this price and divide by 2, 50%. So it will be $50, extended $2, Paradex 50 cents, or Paradex lower, because $1 it's a lot, I think. Ibashi 25, Pacifica 25, Ibashi 0.1, and GRVT $10. Yeah, I think it's some dopamine, so you can divide by 2, and it will be more or less good. And to conclude this video, because there's the Dev Connect in Argentina right now, and Vitalik Buterin warned at Dev Connect that quantum computing could break elliptic curve cryptography before 2028. So what it means? It means your wallet will be in danger. Como they can break the cryptography behind your wallet. So just to be aware about this, and we will see what happens in the next prayer. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy the video, and we will see you tomorrow. Ciao.